Hey guys, it's me, Nora. Well, this is a video of me walking on this amazing trail. I love it up here. This is in Banner Elk, and so I hope you enjoy it. Look, you're gonna come with me. So, it's an amazing little adventure, and I'll show you all the stuff I get to see, okay? So you're taking the adventure with me. Yep, you're not gonna miss anything. Hear that noise? That's waterfalls on the rock. Whoa, these rocks make me want to climb on them. Look at how amazing that is. Can you believe these huge rocks were never really here? That they're not man-made? Mother Nature put these here. This is amazing. I really hope you enjoyed because I'm taking my time to do this and I'm freezing. It's so cold. The trail out up here. But I'm not going to go on it. I really hope I don't fall and this bit doesn't break because right under me is that water. I can't tell you how fast that is gushing. Look how beautiful that is. Well, I hope you enjoyed. I had an amazing time filming this because I got to see all the scenery and let you guys see it. So I really hope you enjoyed. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.